Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a microphone with built-in speakers for karaoke, and we got this at Shopee. Okay, open this. Okay, open it. Open it. Ooh. We got the gold one and a black one. So let's
that looks more like beige.
Start with the
Beige one.
Beige or gold one. And now he's gonna start with the black one. So this is very compact, as you can see. It says here the brand is Karaoke, Magic Karaoke. It already comes with a carrying case, and this is the actual mic, which is rechargeable with built-in batteries. Ooh. There's the speaker, and we got the buttons here.
Hello.
Hello, mic test. Let's look at the manual.
Check out the manual. Wow, it's pretty light. Thought it'd be a tiny bit heavy at least.
And you got the charge. This is the mic connector. Wire connector for no Bluetooth. So if you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can use the wire connector. And then you got a charger here. Wire for charging. And let's read the instruction.
How to use it.
How to use it. So we got all these buttons here.
That's a lot.
We got a power switch, charging indicator. Okay, wireless connection. Turn on off the unit. Default mode is Bluetooth. Insert the TF card.
On. I found the on and off button.
That's okay, not right. If you're using a mobile phone, turn on Bluetooth function and select MCO Plus. Open your internet browser in your mobile phone, example Google or YouTube. Type in the song choice. Add in the word karaoke at the end, example Versace for karaoke. Press search in the bottom, select your song choice. Enjoy using your Magic Karaoke.
Okay, so the first button we did.
So these are the interface.
The
So let's try it on.
Is on.
Let's try the switch on, Amy.
On.
Ooh. Okay. Say my name is.
My name is Naomi.
Hello, mic test. Sige na. Sige na. Let's start this na. Okay. Or try the echo again. No, let's try the echo one more time.
Hello.
This is the. I said one more. Echo.
Echo.
Oh, there's no echo.
Echo.
Half.
Echo.
3/4. Well, maximum.
Echo.
There you go.
Sunday. Na 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 na.
Yeah, TF card.
Echo la la. Haha. Cool.
So let's try to open up the
Second one, which is the flash.
Stop it, guys. We're doing it. We'll try the second microphone and using this microphone. Let's keep the volume down. Hello.
Echo.
The black one. And it's the same feature. Let's try to turn it on. There you go. The settings. Let me see the preset settings. Hello.
Cool.
I think the echo.
Wow.
Hello.
Amazing.
Let's try the modes. Okay, let's try the mode.
Chicken.
Hello? Let's try this mode. Hold on.
Hello.
How do you do the mode?
Oh, yes.
I'm gonna try to connect the Bluetooth microphone on my device. So let's go to the Bluetooth on this device. And let's try to connect Magic Karaoke here. So you can see karaoke, hair. Okay, now it's connected. Okay, so let's search a song. What's that song, Naomi, that you sing at church? If I could have one wish. I want Jesus in your heart. I want... Ano dira sa bag mo? Jesus in your heart. Karaoke.
Good job.
Okay na na. Shashara, come on, try to sing, Shala. Come on, Shala.
If I could have one wish, I know just what I'd like to find. If I could have one dream, you before my eyes. The world that I thought I'd go, more than a pathway to the stars, but more than